In this video, I want to talk to you about Reddit Gold.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
You see, when you click on your account, like I just clicked on my username and it took me to this page, and right here they give me this little thing, get extra features and help support Reddit with Reddit Gold subscription. What do you get out of that? So there's a couple of things you get. So this is the about page of Gold. First of all, the pricing. It's pretty cheap. Okay, if you are really struggling, it's a decision. But if you're not struggling, then for the whole year, it's essentially negligible. Now, what do you get out of this? There's a couple of elements that will make you seem more authoritative, and for that reason, all your sales efforts will be a little easier. For example, you get like a little bit of a trophy next to your image on your page, right? So when people check you out, you'll rise above how everybody else looks, okay? And there's a lot of usability features that they don't necessarily have to do anything with sales directly, like categorize saved posts or viewing comments or more comments per page. This is not something that's like going to boost your sales, but these little things are going to help you stand out. Like, you can create a custom Reddit sub avatar. Now, you don't want to create something like this, but you're going to be able to create something professional that stands out, okay? And you're going to be able to turn off ads, which is not a big deal anyway. But so really, the Reddit Gold is, the way that I look at it is, if you are going to be serious about using Reddit for your marketing, don't buy it on day one. I don't recommend that. Test how Reddit is going for you. If you're finding that Reddit is going well for you, and if you are able to make some sales, Reddit Gold and the little authority features that come with it, those things will help you to improve the percentage of sales. Okay? So this is not going to be like a huge differentiator for you, but it's just going to be an incremental differentiator. Once you've already found some success, this is just a little way to boost that success without much extra work.